Hey guys, Leno here from PlayToEarn.net. Today's video is the third and last part of our weekly news segment. The first two videos talked about game updates, sneak peeks, teasers, and announcements. In this video, we'll be talking about big news that don't necessarily fit in those two categories. So without further ado, let's get to the list. To start off our list, Gordon Ramsay is bringing Hell's Kitchen into the Sandbox Metaverse. The Sandbox is teaming up with ITV Studios to bring Gordon Ramsay's award-winning TV show Hell's Kitchen into the Metaverse. The show will feature a virtual restaurant, giving players the chance to feel the heat in a cooking-themed game in the Sandbox. Through this collab, ITV will host Hell's Kitchen restaurant experiences designed with inputs from Chef Ramsay on an exclusive land. Just like the reality show itself, players must create outstanding new dishes, win competitions, and collect recipes to compete for a chance to make it to head chef. Though winners won't be able to run one of Ramsay's eateries, it will be interesting to see how the Sandbox's version of Hell's Kitchen turns out in the end. Apart from the chef-themed game, the Sandbox will also release Hell's Kitchen-themed assets along the way. This includes limited edition Gordon Ramsay avatars that players and creators can add to their virtual experiences. Here's what they look like. With more than 200 brands and IPs building on its platform, the virtual Manhattan is now home to several game IPs, entertainment brands, digital art museums, celebrities' virtual worlds, and so much more. Given that Alpha Season 3 is coming soon, many are keeping their eyes peeled for the latest developments in the Sandbox. Up next, the Clayton Foundation announces the Claymakers 22 Hackathon. In partnership with hacker organization Dora Hacks, the Clayton Foundation has announced its flagship global hackathon titled Claymakers 22. Supported by AWS, Chainlink, Ledger, and many more, the global hackathon features more than $1 million up for grabs alongside a prize pool of $300,000 paid in Clay. That is spread out across 5 different tracks that users can choose to participate in. The Clayton Core Plus track, the Metaverse and NFTs track, the DAO track, the Fi Plus track, and the Public Goods track. The first one focuses on creating tools that improve the core Clayton protocol, while the second one puts focus on developing tools and use cases for NFTs in the Metaverse. The same goes for the DAO track as well as the Fi Plus track, which includes fields such as DeFi, SocialFi, GameFi, and more. As for the last one, the Public Goods track, the goal is to make tools and uses on the Clayton ecosystem that could potentially have a social impact and form a positive difference against issues such as fake news, war, economic inequality, climate change, and more. In each track, first place is awarded with $30,000, second place $20,000, and third place $10,000, with all three spots also subject to grants and potentially other opportunities. Interested participants, whether individually or as a team, have until August 29th to register. The first 200 registered teams will receive $50 worth of AWS credits once they submit their work on the submission platform for Dora Hacks. Various free workshops will also be held both from Clayton and its partners. If you're liking this news list so far, remember to check out our website and news section to be updated on everything about blockchain gaming. Now let's get back to the video. Up next, Tencent backs out from NFT market in China due to regulatory concerns. Chinese internet giant Tencent announced on August 16th that it will no longer release new NFTs on its Huanhe platform. The move came in view of mounting regulatory scrutiny of NFTs in China. According to Tencent, the company's Huanhe NFT platform, which hit the scene in August last year, will no longer sell new NFTs starting from Tuesday. Even so, those who own existing collectibles will still be able to hold, display, or request a refund for their digital assets. Huanhe is one of the biggest NFT platforms in China, with new collectibles often sold out instantly upon launch. But given how frequently the state media highlighted issues around NFT speculation, Tencent's latest decision came as little surprise to those who dabble in the space. In June, tech giants including Tencent and Ant Group signed a pact to stop the secondary trading of digital collectibles. This was done to reduce rampant speculations in the Chinese NFT market. Despite that, it didn't help much as the Chinese media reported a potential shutdown of Huanhe last month. With the latest move by Tencent, the firm will likely suspend its entire NFT operation soon. Although crypto trading and mining are considered illegal in China, the authorities seem to have no issues splurging on metaverse and blockchain developments. In July, the Shanghai municipal government published a policy paper outlining plans to build a $52 billion metaverse cluster by 2025. Up next, Wisdom Gaming unveils Patent Gaming Labs seeks to expand Web3 services. The Minnesota-based gaming company Wisdom Gaming is an esports and gaming event broadcast and production company. The company is tilting its focus to the blockchain industry, where it would be providing Web3 services for other gaming companies. The newly created division will aid the company's internal broadcasting product offerings and provide services within the Web3 space for brand partners. The team will be able to provide services ranging from broadcast productions, augmented reality, virtual reality, mobile game development, and other Web3 integrations. Wisdom Labs will internally help to create tools and products needed to enrich broadcasts and expand unique activation for viewers and guests of a live event. On the other hand, the labs will externally act as an extension for bringing Web3 projects to life in various aspects such as blockchain game development, Web3 integrations, smart contract development, and more. In a recent partnership deal, Wisdom Labs will be involved in the development of a PvP game mode for DeFi kingdoms. Aside from Web3 services, Wisdom Labs will offer some Web2 capabilities, which include full-stack development, UX and UI design, Twitch extensions, and e-commerce platform development. And lastly, CoinFund announces a $300 million Web3-focused fund. On August 17th, blockchain investment firm CoinFund launched CoinFund Ventures 1. It is a massive $300 million fund that seeks to invest in Layer 1 blockchain, Web3 gaming, and NFT startups. Backed by institutional investors, family offices, and crypto founders, the new fund aims to support the most ambitious founders across the blockchain subsectors. The fresh capital will also help CoinFund's portfolio companies to grow from seed round to Series A. This includes Dapper Labs, Rarible, CoinList, Misari, and blockchain platform Blockdaemon. CoinFund has also made a name for itself by making early bets on Solana, Polkadot, and Near. Ventures 1 will be led by David Pacman, managing partner and head of ventures investing at CoinFund. The veteran venture capitalist previously led the Series A round in Dapper Labs and Rarible before investing in Coinbase prior to its IPO. Given that, CoinFund brought in new limited partners into Venture 1 as well. This includes the Teacher Retirement System of Texas, Adams Street Partners, Stepstone Group, Accolade Partners, and Theta Capital Management. According to Pacman, the new fund will allocate $6 to $10 million to each company, with most of the money going toward new investments. And that's a wrap for this week's news. I hope this video helped if you were looking to catch up to news about blockchain gaming this week. If you like the new format for the news videos this week, let me know in the comments. And for more info on everything about blockchain games, check out our website at PlayToEarn.net, where we have the largest database of games that have all the info you need. That's it for today. See you next video.